The PlayStation Portal, designed for streaming PS5 games, struggles with hotel Wi Fi due to captive portals, login screens requiring web browser authentication. Since the portal lacks a built in browser, direct login to captive portals isn't possible. You'll need a smartphone or laptop to connect first and complete the login. First, connect your phone or laptop to the hotel Wi Fi and complete the login process. Note the Wi Fi name and password, as you'll need these for the portal. On your PlayStation Portal, go to Settings and enter the Wi Fi credentials you noted. If it still redirects to a login page, consider DNS spoofing apps. Use mobile hotspot tethering as a fallback. Some users have found success cloning their device's MAC address to the portal via an app. This tricks the network into thinking it's the already authenticated device. Remember to use hotel Wi-Fi cautiously. A VPN like ExpressVPN can encrypt your connection.